Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing us how to make some dollar from this site. Okay, this is dogs mining site, but yeah, they have a lot of work to do. You just have to come and activate your miner every 24 hours. Okay, that means every day you come here and activate. I just activated my, as you can see here, it's just 23 hours 58 minutes. Okay, so that's just what you do. Just click on here. Once you come here, you'll be see claim or activate, something like that. Once you click on it, it start mining for you automatically, and this will generate some token for you after 24 hours, and you'll be seeing your token here. So right now, once you sign up, you'll be getting 2.088 worth of Dodge. So I'll be showing you how to convert this token to USDT and how to make a withdrawal straight to your wallet address. So watch this video to the very end, guys. If you are new to the channel, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and drop a nice comment, guys. Okay, guys, these are other tags below which you can go ahead to complete to earn a lot of tokens from this site. Okay, so once you can invite at least 3 friends from here, which is not compulsory, but for you to earn fast, once you invite 3 friends, you'll be earning 15,000 150,000 worth of their tokens. So if you go ahead to invite let's say 6 friends successfully purchase make a purchase. That means if the 6 friends buy a plan here, you'll be getting 12,000 plus. Okay, so that's how it was, and other taxes is all about invite. So next way you can earn is to click on this what's it called, this lucky draw. This lucky draw does allow you spin a wheel. Okay, once you spin a wheel as a new sign up member in this site, you're getting one free lottery. Okay, so I'll just click on it right now and it will rotate and give me one. Let me see what I will get here. Okay, I get 50 dog. Okay, so this 50 will be added to my balance right now. So let's go back to my dashboard, and you will see that it will be added. So I'll just click on this me icon right now. So as I click on this me icon, as you can see, I'm having total of 18 um token of this dog. Okay, so that's how its site works. All right, so for you to convert it to dollar, you just click on this icon here. As you can see here, there's an icon that says here DOG and USDT. That's where you click. So once you click on it right now, it will enable you to convert whatever you've mined, okay, to USDT. As you can see here, they say one dog is equivalent to 0.001 USDT, which is it here. Okay, so that means what we have so far here, I'm just going to click on okay, you can put the amount which you want to convert here. So I'll just click on all. Once I click on all, everything will appear. That means I'm having 0.1 USDT in my new account just right now. Just creating an account and I'm having 0.1 USDT. So that means if I'm able to generate, let's say let me see, 8,800. That means I'm having 1.8 dollars. I mean, to make it 18,000 here, I'm having $18 ASAP. Okay, so that's one good about this site. You can just choose how much you want to make every day. Just be active here, and you see 1,000 of this dog is $1. Okay, so that's it. So guys, that's how this site really was. Very easy. There's no stress. Just activate your miner, leave it, do your tax, and you're good to go. So for you to upgrade to more, okay, for you to upgrade to more, there's an upgrade icon here. Just click on this upgrade so far. Once you click on it, and you'll be seeing different packages which you wish to upgrade. All right, so this mining tools here is where you can make a small recharge, a small deposit. So once you deposit something like 15 USDT here, then that means which values for 20 days, you will be earning total of 2,000 um 500. Okay, so that's what they will give you for depositing 15 USDT. So if you deposit 100, which will last for 30 good days, you'll be earning 13,700. So if you deposit 3,000 USDT, which will last for 45 days, so you'll be earning 42,000, 3,000 dog. Okay, so all this you'll be given to you to in your balance instantly, and you can convert it same way I converted it, and you see what it's worth in USDT. Okay, so as a new member, as a new sign up member, this is speed at which it mines for you. So when you upgrade or buy any plan here, the speed increases. Okay, so you're just buying at 2.0889 dog. Okay, so that was it. Then if you don't want to deposit via cryptocurrency to upgrade, you can also deposit using the amount which you've mined by clicking this upgrade here. So I'll just click on this upgrade here. That means I'm in the 0 level. So yes, everything is just free. Okay, so for the level 1, you have to upgrade using 5,000 worth of dog. Okay, once you get 5,000 worth of dog, then your speed limit will increase to 17,3667. Okay, so that's just it. So that's what 17.3667. So that's the speed limit. Okay, and it will be lasting every 24 hours. Then you'll be getting your income. So you can choose to upgrade either any of these options. Okay, so that how this site works. Then this leaderboard is just like the ranking process of it. So if you are too active, you see yours here, and if you have referrals that can purchase all those plans, so that's just it. So guys, this how this site actually works is that it's totally free. You can go ahead and place your withdrawal. When you come to me, I'm showing how to withdraw. You come to this withdraw icon right now, but you must have converted it from here to this point. Okay, once you convert it to USDT, because I withdraw in USDT, you're not withdrawing in the dog. So once you withdraw to USDT, click on this withdraw right now, and you select a password. Okay, once you set the password here, then you go ahead to choose whether TRC20 or BEP20, and make sure anyone you are choosing whether TRC20 or BEP20. Okay, make sure that's the address you copy. Okay, then once you select it, you paste the address here. Once you paste the address here, you put the amount you want to withdraw, or you can just click on, or once you click on this all right now, all the amount you have will appear. Then this password, this security password which you just created when you're about to withdraw, we put it here. I see the minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT, and the maximum is 9999999. Okay, so once you fill up the stuff here, you can go ahead and click on confirm. Okay, so as you can read here, you can see the minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT, and it will arrive between 1 to 5 minutes. So they say refresh the page if you've not received it. So let's check how much do you need to have to get this 2 USDT. For you to get this 2 USDT and withdraw, that means you need to have like 2,000 worth of this dog. You have to mine like 2,000 worth of this dog. Let me just put 2,000 here, because each 1,000 is 2 USD. Okay, so right now I'll just create this account newly for the instead of the video, and as you can see, I'm having 180. That means I need like 1,000 1,720 to complete, to reach my minimum withdrawal. So I don't know how long it will take you as a free miner, but that's just everything to know about this site, guys. So go started. The link will be at the description. Sign up and start making money for free. So if you find value in this video, guys, just give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video.